Namaskar to everyone. In previous class we have already discussed question number 1 to 7. In this class we will discuss question number 8 to 9. So students, let's start. Question number 8 is thickness of 50 sheets of paper is 9 mm and we have to find out one sheet thickness. Okay. Thickness of 9 sheets equals to 9 mm. Sorry, 50 sheets. Okay, 9 mm. So we have to find out one sheet thickness. Okay, one sheet thickness becomes 9 upon 50 mm. Okay, we can also convert it to centimeter and also write like this. Okay, we can write 50 equals to like 5 into 10. If we divide this, then the value becomes like, take point because division not possible, take 0 from it and okay, so 1.8 upon 10 mm. We can also write it, shift this point here because 10 is here, so we shift it. So this is your answer. We can also write into in centimeter. For centimeter we have to divide it again like 10. Okay, so it will be 0.018 centimeter. Okay, this is your answer and this is also. In 9th question, if 2.25 kg of sugar is required for baking 9 cakes, so find the mass of the sugar required for 1 cake, baking 1 cake. Okay, sugar required, okay, required for 9 cake. Equals to 2.25 kg. So 1 cake it will be 2.25 divided by 9. If we remove this point, then it will be this. Cut these values. It will be 9 and 4. 9 upon 9 multiplied by 4. Cut it. 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 5 equals to 0.25. How to? Like how it will be like 4, 1. Division is not possible. Point, decimal. Right. Take 0 from it. 8. Then 2. Take 0. Then it will be 0.25. Okay, kg sugar for 1 cake. We can also convert it into gram also. So 1 kg, we know that 1 kg equals to 1000 gram. So if we multiply to 1000, like 0.25 is multiplied by 1000, so it will be converted into gram. So if we multiply, then it shift right hand side. Okay, how many steps? 3 steps. 3 0 0. 1 2 3. Okay, so 1 2 3. Okay, 250 gram. यहाँ point लग जाएगा. Okay, so 250 gram is the answer. 10th is how many medicine bottles each containing 49 ml of medicine can be filled from a bottle containing 1.127 liters of that medicine. So one bottle contains 49 ml of medicine. Okay, and we have 1.127 liter of medicine. So how many bottles can be filled with it? 49 ml. Okay, one bottle required 49 ml. Okay, so 1.127 ml. How many, like, if ml, sorry, liter. Okay, liters, it is in ml. So how many bottles can be filled? So first we have to convert it into, like, we can convert it into ml. So for that 1.127 multiplied by 1000 ml equals to 1, like it will be shift 3 step, 3 zeros are here, 1 2 3, and here point is, so it is converted into ml. So number of bottles will be 1127 upon 49. It will be, if we divide this like 1000, so it will be 2 times and 98 14, then we take 7, 3 times 147, so 23 bottles. Number of bottles equals to 23 bottles can be filled. This is your 2.3 exercise, and next lecture we will discuss 4th exercise. Till then, bye bye.